Hi everyone, today in this video we'll see how to build this soldering stand. These are the materials required. At first we'll mark the dimensions and cut them accordingly. If you're wondering what are the dimensions, they will be discussed in a few seconds. Connect them as shown in the video. The square shape is first built using 4 elbow bends, 2 T-bends, 150 mm and 70 mm quarter-inch PVC pipes. Then the middle portion is connected with two 65 mm quarter-inch PVC pipes and a T-bend as shown. Now this is the base structure, and on this base structure we will connect the 250 mm quarter-inch PVC pipe. Over this, connect the T-bend and the rest two pieces of 70 mm quarter-inch PVC pipes as shown. Make a hole on both sides of the top 70 mm pipes. Here I have cut open half side opposite the hole to secure the clips with the screw tightly. These are the results. Now we will connect these back. As you can see, I have added heat strings for electrical insulation. This is the end result. I rotated one of the clippers to make both the clippers face the same side so that we can connect the PCB easily. This is a video of me using this as a soldering stand. Thank you for watching.